In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xero server errors and login issues quickly and safely. If you're seeing a server error message, a spinning loading screen, or you're unable to log in to your Xero account, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a temporary glitch, a browser session issue, or cached cookies that need to be cleared. I'll walk you through 4 simple steps that usually resolve the problem in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1 is what I call the 60-second rule. As soon as you see the server error, stop clicking immediately. Don't keep refreshing repeatedly, and don't keep pressing the login button. Sometimes Xero servers just experience a brief hiccup, and repeatedly sending requests can actually make the issue worse. Instead, wait exactly 1 full minute. This gives the system time to clear any temporary session conflict. After 60 seconds, press F5 on your keyboard to refresh the page once. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the error still appears after refreshing, move on to the next step. Step 2 is running what I call a clean slate test using an incognito or private browser window. This helps you determine whether the problem is caused by cached data or extensions in your normal browser session. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+N. This will open a new incognito window. Now, instead of using a saved bookmark, manually type login.xero.com directly into the address bar and press Enter. Avoid auto-filled links or old saved shortcuts. Try logging in from this private window. If Xero works here, the issue is almost certainly related to your regular browser cache or cookies. That brings us to Step 3. Step 3 is clearing Xero cookies specifically. In your regular browser window, go to your browser settings and find Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Site Data, then select the option to manage on-device site data. In the search bar, type xero.com. You'll see stored cookie entries related to Xero. Click the trash or bin icon next to every entry for xero.com. This removes corrupted or expired session data that could be causing the server error. Once you've deleted all Xero-related cookies, close the browser tab completely. Then reopen your browser, go to xero.com again by typing it manually, and log in fresh. This forces Xero to create a brand new session without the old broken data attached. If you're still seeing issues after clearing cookies, move to Step 4, which is checking Xero's official status page. Open a new tab and visit status.xero.com. This page shows real-time information about Xero servers. If you see green indicators, everything is operating normally, and the issue is likely local to your device or network. However, if you see yellow bars marked as degraded performance or red bars indicating an outage, then the problem is on Xero's side. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your account. You'll simply need to wait until Xero resolves the outage. Typically, these server-side issues are fixed within about an hour. So, to quickly recap, apply the 60-second rule and refresh once, test in an incognito window, clear all Xero cookies, and finally, check status.xero.com for any live outages. Following these steps will solve the vast majority of Xero server and login errors. If this tutorial helped you fix your Xero server error, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.